students, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech for Maths, and here is another set of 10 questions which are very important for exams. So let us start from the question number 11. The unit place digit of the SCF of this set of number, this set of number and this set of number. Okay, very easy to solve. Just copy this number 2 to power 2 है 2 to power 2 into 3 to power 2 into 5 to power 3 into 7. Next set is 2 to power 3 into 3 to power 3 into 5 to power 2 into 7 to power 2. Next set of number is 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. Three of the numbers. The factorization is given in 3 of these. You can write 1 into. Here, what are you getting as a common multiple? 3. Here, what are you getting? 5. Here, what are you getting? 7. Look at here, you have 1 7 here, you have 1 7 here, you have 2 7. Now, 1 7 is common here. Similarly, 1 5 and 1 3. So, your answer is 3 5s are 15, 7s are 105. 105 is the factor, highest common factor of this number and this number. Look at students, the question says that unit place digit of. So unit place is 5. 5 is the answer. I don't know there is a mistake in the question. As we are solving the Arihant book, there is a mistake in the options, but you don't need to worry, as you can understand this question as a tricky question. So unit place or digit of this SCF. Suppose there is a E option and the answer is none of the above. None of the above. You can take even. Okay. So 5 is the unit place digit of SCF. SCF का unit कितना है? Unit place कितना है? 5 है. So SCF का unit place digit कितना है? 5 है. Yes. Come to the next one. If two positive integers a and b are written as a equals x cube y square and b equals x y cube, what are you getting as a common factor? Here x and here y square. Got it? So xy square is the highest common factor. Very easy, the easiest one. Next, write the SCF of the smallest composite number. Okay, let us start the smallest composite number. So smallest composite number is 1. No, 1 is neither prime nor composite. You have already read it so many times, I think. 2 is the smallest composite number. Next, the smallest prime. So prime number starts with 1. No, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Cut it. Smallest prime number is 2. So now write the SCF. The SCF of 2 and 2 is 2. Of course, you can factorize them. 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. So this is the common factor you are getting. So 2 1s are 2 is the answer. Next, two numbers are in the ratio 15 is to 11, and if the SCF is 13, then the number will be. This is the first kind of question you have studied so far, I think. Suppose you have a group of students in your school that has the average height of 156 centimeter. Second, next group of whose average height is 164 centimeter. Now let us find out the ratio. 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 8 is 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 9 are 18, 2 4 are 8, 2 1 are 2. Ratio is 39 upon 41. Look at students, if you multiply both the numbers by 4, you will get the original number, that is 156 and 164. Got it? So now you are understanding that 4 is the common factor. 4 is the common factor. Got it? 4 is the common factor. So now if you multiply the given ratio into the highest common factor will get the original numbers. Here the ratio is given to is 15 upon 11 and the HCF is 13. If you multiply this number, what you will get? 15 10 ja 150, 15 3 is 45, 195. Next 11 10 ja 110, 11 3 ja 33, that is 143. So 195 and 143 are the original numbers. Yes, D is the option. 15th, the LCM of the two co-prime numbers is 117 and their LCM should be. Very easy, students. This is a formula which you will widely use. If you have the two numbers, first number and second number, and you are given with the LCM and HCF of the given number, the formula is this: first number into second number equals LCM into HCF. Now if you substitute the value, you are given, you need to find the value of LCM, and the product of the two number, that is first number into second number, is given, that is 117. Now look at here, LCM into HCF and HCF of the co-prime numbers is always 1. Even the definition भी यही होती है कि co-prime numbers are the number which has nothing in common between them, that is co-prime are the number which has nothing in, just like 17 and 19 both have only one factor and nothing is common. Okay, so the HCF is always 1. So you can say if there are two co-prime numbers, LCM is always equal to HCF. The LCM should be 111 or always equal to HCF. Okay, so answer is B because 117 is given. अगर आपके पास 117 given नहीं होता और ये लिखा होता the product of the two co-prime numbers is something else, yes, something, there is a number, there is a definite number, their LCM should be, तो आंसर होता equal to HCF. Next 16, the least number is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10. Very easy question. 1 to 10, देखो स्टूडेंट 1 छोड़ दीजिए, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. कभी भी क्वेश्चन आपने पढ़ा होगा क्लास 6 में, द लीस्ट नंबर विच इज डिविजिबल बाय, आपको टू नंबर्स गिवन होते थे 7 and 8 से कौन सा नंबर है जो डिविजिबल होगा, तो आप इसका एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करें. सिमिलरली यू नीड टू फाइंड द सेवरल नंबर्स आर गिवन हियर, दैट इज द ओनली प्रॉब्लम. 2 1s are 2, leave 3, 2 2s are 4, leave 5, 2 3s are 6, leave 7, 2 4s are 8, 2 9, leave 9, 2 5s are 10. Here 2, leave 1, leave 3, 2 1s are 2, 5, leave 3, leave 7, 2 2s are 4, leave 9, leave 5. Again 1 2 is left, 2 1s are 2, 3, left 1, 5, left 3, left 7, 2 1s are 2, 9 is there, 5 is there. So there is no more number which is divisible by 2. Start from 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 7 1, 3 3s are 9, 5. There is one more number which is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. Now you are left with 5 and 7. 5 1 1 1 5, sorry, 5 1s are 5, 1 7, 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are 5. Now you are left with 7 only. So the number is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120, 3s are 360 into 7. 7 0s are 0, 7 6 are 42, carry on, 4 7 3s are 21, 4 25. So 25200 is the answer. Come to the next question. The HCF, if the HCF of 165 and 117 is expressible in the form 65m minus 117. Very easy question. Let us find the HCF of 65 and 117. Divide 117 by 65. 1 ja 65. 7 minus 5 becomes 2 and 11 minus 6 becomes 5. Make divisor your dividend. 52 ones are 52. 5 minus 2 becomes 3. 6 minus 5 becomes 1. Make your divisor again your dividend. 13 4s are 42. Completely divisible. So the lowest divisor is your HCF. HCF is 13. The question says that 65m minus 117 is equals to what? HCF that is 13. So make an equation. This implies 65m equals 117. आप ट्रांसपोज करेंगे, ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा 130 65m. So value of m is m equals 130 upon 65, that is 2. 2 is your answer. Come to the next question. The same question is there. The LCM of the 12 and 42 is 10m. 12 के फैक्टर्स कितने होते हैं? 3 4 12. 42 के फैक्टर कितने होते हैं? 3 into 3 1 3, 3 4 12. You can write 2 into 2. Here you can write 2 into 7. So look at here. Take 3 ones, take 2 ones, take this 2 ones, take this 7 ones. 3 into 2 into 2 into 7. Yes, what you get? 3 2 6, 2 12, 12 7 84. The question says that the LCM is 10m plus 4. It means 10m plus 4 जो है वो और हमारा LCM है. And here we have 10m plus 4 and here we have the LCM. Let us substitute equally. Now solve the given equation. 10m equals 80. Here we have the equation 10m plus 4 equals 84. Solve this question, you will get 10m plus 4 equals 80, m equals 8. 8 is the answer. Come to the next question. There are 24 peaches, 36 apricots and 60 bananas, and when they have to be arranged in the several rows in such a way that every row contains the same number of the fruits of the only one type. Look at students. 24 आपके पास पीचेस हैं, 36 एप्रिकॉट्स हैं, 60 बनानास हैं. एक बात तो साफ है, आपको इनको रोज में अरेंज करना है, और जिस रोज में भी आप अरेंज करेंगे उसमें आप बताइए ट्रीज 24 से ज़्यादा तो आएंगे नहीं. इट मीन्स जो भी नंबर यहाँ पे आएगा वो इनसे छोटा होगा, और इन छोटे नंबर्स के लिए हमेशा ऐसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. कीप इट रिमेंबर. ओके, ये एक ट्रिक है. सो आप जब 24 और 36 और 60 का एससीएफ फाइंड आउट करते हैं, सो इनके फैक्टराइजेशन कर लीजिए. 2 into 2 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24. Here 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 3 the 36. Here 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 6, 6 5 the 30 and 2 the 60. So what you get common here, ये आपको 2 कॉमन मिल गया है. ये आपको एक 3 कॉमन मिल गया है, एंड 1 more 2 आपको एक कॉमन मिल गया है. ओके, सो एससीएफ इज 2 3 6 2 12. It means 12 is the number of tree which will be arranged in the rows. So अगर हम 12 ट्रीज को अरेंज करते हैं तो पीचेस के हम 2 रोज बना लेंगे. अगर 12 एप्रिकॉट्स को हम अरेंज करते हैं, अगर एप्रिकॉट्स को हम अरेंज करेंगे 12 ट्रीज में, सो विल गेट 3 रोज. 12 3 36. बनानास को अरेंज करेंगे 12 रोज में, 12 ट्रीज अगर अरेंज करेंगे तो हाउ मेनी रोज विल बिकम 1 2 3 4 5. सो हमारे पास 2 रोज जो हैं वो पीचेस की होंगी, 3 रोज जो हैं वो एप्रिकॉट्स की होंगी, और 5 रोज जो हैं वो बनानास की होंगी. लुक एट स्टूडेंट्स, तो क्वेश्चन कह रहा है व्हाट इज द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ रोज. क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि कितनी रोज बनेंगी, 10 बनेंगी. ये तो बहुत ईजी हो गया. बट रिमेंबर इन एग्जाम क्वेश्चन ये भी आ सकता है, हाउ मेनी रोज ऑफ पीचेस विल बी देयर. द आंसर इज 2. हाउ मेनी रोज ऑफ एप्रिकॉट्स विल बी देयर. द आंसर इज 3. हाउ मेनी रोज ऑफ बनानास विल बी देयर. द आंसर इज 5. और द क्वेश्चन मे बी लाइक how many rows of apricots and bananas will be there. You have to add this. How many rows of peaches and apricots will be there. You have to add this. And how many rows of peaches and banana will be there. You have to add this. Okay, this can be the transformation in the question further. Come to the next question. 4 bell toll at intervals of 10 second, 15 second, 20 second, 30 second. ये हमारी bells हैं जो हर 10 सेकंड, 15 सेकंड, 20 सेकंड और 30 सेकंड्स के बाद बजती हैं. ये हमारी 4 bells हैं. ओके, नाउ क्या करना है आपको. क्वेश्चन सेज कि अगर ये 10 AM एक बार सुबह 10 बजे आपके स्कूल जाने के टाइम पे सर्दियों में अगर ये रिंग होती हैं, सो अब कितने टाइम के बाद ये रिंग होगी? बहुत इजी है, पहले आपको इनको सिंक कर लो। सिंक्रोनाइज आपने वर्ड पढ़ा होगा। सबसे पहले तो 10, 15, 20, 30 का आप एलसीएम फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए। 2 5 ज़ा 10, लीव 50, 2 1 ज़ा 2 0, 15, 5 15, 2 5 ज़ा 10, लीव 15, start with 3, 3 1 ज़ा 3, sorry, leave 5, 3 5 ज़ा 15, leave 5, 3 5 ज़ा 15. Yes, now 5 1 ज़ा 5, 5 1 ज़ा 5, 5 1 ज़ा 5, 5 1 ज़ा 5. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 to the 4th 12, 5 ज़ा 60. 60 is the LCM. 60 seconds, yes, they are all a second. 60 सेकेंड्स के बाद ये सिंक हो जाएंगी, सारी सिंक्रोनाइज हो जाएंगी सारी की सारी। नाउ 60 सेकेंड्स के बाद एक बार फिर से ये साथ में बजेंगे, यानी 10.01 AM, यानी 10:01 पर ये फिर से बजेंगे। क्वेश्चन ये हो सकता है आपका कि नेक्स्ट टाइम ये कितने देर बाद साथ, अगर 10.01 पे होती हैं तो कितने टाइम के बाद एक बार साथ साथ बचेंगी। और द क्वेश्चन में भी लाइक कि ये 10:15 पे बचते हैं तो अब कितनी देर के बाद बचेंगे, तो कुछ इसका आंसर होगा 10:16 पर। सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द सेट ऑफ 10 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। मैंने आपको पूरी कोशिश की इन्हें समझाने की। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड वी विल हैव सम मोर एमसीक्यूज फर्दर इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. In the next video, we'll have some more questions. Thank you.